for the last 70 years, our country has seen tremendous growth. Our country has maintained the ideology of secularism, socialism, democracy intact. For the first time in the country, there is a threat to this ideology of secularism because the right-wing elements have unleashed their reign of terror. There has been a culture of intolerance, culture of hatred, culture of vengeance, culture of vendetta against the minorities. And we have seen the people who are having certain ideology are either annihilated, killed or murdered. Those people who profess the ideology of secularism are totally regarded as anti-national. There has been an effort to interfere in the universities, which I call the temples of education. There has been efforts to intimidate the people, intimidate the press. Gaurav Vapsi, then attack on Mother Teresa, then attack on father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. So these are the things which has to be condemned by right-thinking people, and I'm happy that.
You have to also this thing. What do you say?
This culture of intolerance is creating a rift not only among the minorities but among the majority community, because it is an attempt to create a rift by majority against the minority, and people in this country who has lived in communal harmony for the last 70 years are feeling that this is not the right thing, and therefore the right thinking people, the intellectuals, have come out openly against this culture of intolerance, and therefore we, Congress Party in Goa, have decided to take signatures of more than 1 lakh people and make a petition, a memorandum to the President of India, because President of India represents the Constitution, represents the nation, and he is the custodian of the Constitution, so it is his duty to protect the sacred principles of secularism and keep the unity, integrity of this nation intact.